Just as you monitor the fuel level in your car every time you drive, check your propane tank gauge regularly to make sure you never run out of fuel. If a tank runs out of propane, national safety codes require that a qualified professional test your propane system before turning on the gas again. Let's keep that from happening by understanding how easy it is to read the gauge on your propane tank. Start by opening the lid of your tank to reveal the gauge. Propane is stored as a liquid in your tank, and it expands and contracts as outside temperatures rise and fall. That's why tanks are propane filled to about 80% of capacity. That gives the fuel plenty of room to expand on hot days. Keep in mind the numbers on the gauge express how full the tank is as a percentage. When the needle is on 80, the tank is full of propane. When the needle is on 40, the tank is half full of propane. If you're like many Americans, you use propane for heat, water heating, clothes drying, fireplaces, cooking, backup power, and outdoor living. The gauge on your tank can help you make sure you have enough propane for all of those energy needs and more. Ask your propane retailer about ensuring that you always have enough propane in the tank to keep your family safe and comfortable year-round.